Hey guys, so today I wanted to make a quick video about how you can remove the Powered by Shopify from your Shopify site's footer. This is a really easy feature to implement. You don't need to know how to code and you don't need any apps to do this. So you can see an example of this. We're on my monkeybiz.biz test site. You see this Powered by Shopify here. We're going to get rid of this in this tutorial. And so really all you have to do to get rid of this is the following. So what I want you guys to do is just go straight to your site's admin, which is basically your site's My Shopify link followed by /admin. You're going to go ahead and hit online store here and then go over here to actions. We're not going to be editing the code. We're actually editing languages here. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And then what I want you guys to do is click in this box here, and you can see I've already searched it, but go ahead and type in Powered by Shopify. It'll pop up with this checkout and system links here. What I want you guys to do is just enter a space right here. Go ahead and click save. And then once we refresh the site, we should see that this is gone. You can see now this site footer, it has my copyright still. It has the link to the site homepage, but now it no longer has the Powered by Shopify. So guys, that's how to get rid of Powered by Shopify in your site's footer. If this video helped you, I'd appreciate it if you'd leave a like. This should work on any theme. If this isn't working for you, you can go ahead and leave a comment and I'll try to help you as best I can. I also use my videos comment sections to come up with new ideas for future videos. So if you have any features that you'd like to see implemented, go ahead and leave them in the comment section. So on my channel, I create coding tutorials for Shopify, and I also give out some digital marketing advice. Right now I'm running a promo where I'll select a random subscriber and give their site a free consultation. Basically what I go over in that consultation is just, if I were put in charge of your site tomorrow, what are the top things that I would work on with your brand? So if that appeals to you, go ahead and subscribe. All right, see you in the next one, guys.